Well, there's your problem.
Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Graham Dorley. I bought a 2022 911 GT3 from Copart. This car has actually been crashed and salvaged twice. It had damage in the front fascia, a little bit of the front bumper, but nothing too severe, right? So they rebuilt the vehicle, put it back on the road, and less than 100 miles later, it was crashed again, but this time it went over something, looks to be a road barrier or something, and took out basically everything under the front crash rails, the whole front subframe, the front, everything else. It launched the car up in the air and landed on the rear right before the front wheels, where it took out the rear suspension as well. Now, we're gonna go down to the Copart facility in South San Jose, California. We're gonna check this thing out, pay for it, and get it brought back up so we can start this build. So if you're interested in following the progress, stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun.